I thought that guinea pigs were boring and simple like other pets. But I've done some research about them to see if this is true. Therefore, I fell into a rabbit hole and discovered these amazing and unusual facts about them. In this video, I will share my top 20 most amazing facts that I've found for you during the last year. Guinea pigs have actually been sent to space not once, but twice. Can you believe it? They traveled on a special Russian Sputnik spaceship way back in 1961 and then again on a Chinese satellite in 1990. It's like they had their own space adventures. Guinea pigs are good emotional support pet. They are cuddly and non-judgmental, therefore, their calming effect can lower our stress levels. They are especially helpful for individuals on the autism spectrum or those with post-traumatic disorder syndromes. Guinea pigs don't have a tail that sticks out like other rodents. Although they have 7 tail bones inside their bodies, they don't need a tail to survive. Guinea pigs have an amazing sense of smell. They can easily recognize their owner, especially the one who brings them food. It's like they have a superpower for smelling their favorite treat, and if you don't bring any, they will let you know. July 16th is Guinea Pig Appreciation Day. However, this doesn't mean it's a second Christmas for them, because as you know, every day is like Christmas for guinea pigs. Guinea pigs have an impressively large field of vision with an estimated 340 degrees field of vision. This is one of the widest fields of vision in the animal kingdom, especially in mammals. It is part of their defense mechanism that allows them to evade threats. No wonder why they can be hard to pick up during the first year. Talking about evasive maneuvers, most guinea pigs can run up to about 3 miles per hour and can even reach 6 miles per hour when running in a straight line. The fastest guinea pig on record is named Flash from London, in UK, who ran 10 meters in 8.81 seconds on July 27, 2009. Guinea pigs have 14 toes, 8 in the front and 6 in the back. Unlike other rodents, they are poor climbers and quite clumsy animals. And that's why they are so cute. Some guinea pigs can be polydactyl, meaning they can have extra toes. Guinea pigs don't sweat. They will lick themselves to regulate their temperature because they do not have any sweat glands. This is why it is important to keep them cool during summertime, because if the temperature rises above 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 28 degrees Celsius, they can suffer from heat stroke. They are social and affectionate creatures. They will lick you, express their love and care for you, or just to say thank you for the extra snacks. Guinea pig will also lick each other to show affection or to establish and maintain social order within their group. They are allergic to penicillin, and some antibiotic can be life-threatening for them. If they need some antibiotics, it should be under veterinary supervision. Guinea pig don't produce their vitamin C. Just like humans, they need to get their dose of vitamin C by eating fresh veggies. Bell peppers are ideal for them, and they can also benefit from pellets enriched with vitamin C. Guinea pigs have a total of 20 teeth, including 4 teeth in the front. Their teeth never stop growing, so they need to constantly chew on hay to keep them at the right length. Make sure they always have access to fresh hay, and you can provide them with additional chew toys, such as applewood sticks. Guinea pig can bite. If they are mad about you because they want you to stop petting them, they will let you know. Guinea pigs can also bite you if they are injured or if they are sick. Make sure you contact your vet to avoid any complication. They can sometimes eat their own poops. This is normal because this is how they reabsorb essential nutrients. Those dropping are not poo, they are called cecotropes, and they are made from undigested fibers. Some wild guinea pigs are categorized as critically endangered, like the Santa Catarina guinea pig. Those little piggies live on an island in Brazil, and they might disappear if a natural catastrophe occurs or if there is too many predators. Guinea pigs and capybaras are both native to South America and are both rodents and members of the Cavidae family. They share similar characteristics. Even if capybaras can be domesticated, they are much more bigger than guinea pigs. They are strict herbivores, and unlike other rodents, they don't even eat nuts. Their diet is mostly composed of hay and fresh veggies. Check out my other videos on all the food they cannot eat. Guinea pigs have been brought to Europe by the Dutch to be domesticated in the 16th century. The royal families of England really enjoy those little companions. Even the Prince Henry and Williams used to have guinea pigs. They have been used in scientific research for over 200 years. They were really helpful to find different cure and treatment. However, their usage has decreased in the past 20 years. And remember, if you've made it that far, you're an awesome guinea pig owner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to help this channel, you can watch my other videos or click on this suggested video just for you.